So today what I am going to be going over is, the lovely drama with the brand. I'm gonna grab this right here. The brand Glyder. Sorry, I am just like feeling hella dry at this moment. Okay, so feeling hella dry. Okay, so we're gonna talk about the Glyder Miracle Beard Oil. This is the sample, and I am assuming, my conspiracy theory is that this is actually the concept version of the beard oil that they originally came out with, but was released in birch boxes for those who wanted to sample it. And then I got this, like I reviewed in an earlier video, in a haul, not actually reviewed. So I have never used this yet. So we're gonna open it. This is the original, okay? So comes inside of the package just like this. I think it's quite amazing looking. I feel like the box could be a little sturdier, especially for the price range and all, but that's just me personally. This comes in 1.7 fluid ounces, and this one comes in 6 fluid ounces. So this is almost a full ounce, and this is almost a full 2 ounces. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna read the ingredients, okay, and compare them, because a scent is supposed to be completely different. I have not used this product yet. This is gonna be my first time using it in front of you guys. So we're gonna open up this cap. Okay. I'm gonna see what it smells like. Yeah. This literally completely smells different than this one. Okay. So I'm gonna read the ingredients, okay, off of this original. Like I said, my conspiracy theory is a concept version of what this product was originally supposed to be like, but they were getting feedback from people to see what needed to be changed about it versus this one. Okay, so the ingredients for this is olive oil, coconut oil, cannabis sativa hemp oil, okay, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, fragrance parfum. Now that's their downfall right there, because this does not make it vegan like what I was reading on their actual website. They're definitely saying that the product is vegan, and this says parfum, so a fragrance. It's a fragrance. It's a synthetic fragrance. So this technically is more vegetarian, if anything. Yeah. I'm not gonna try pronouncing some of this, but the main thing that I see in the difference is the hemp sativa oil, basically, the cannabis oil. And obviously it's just hemp, it's not CBD, it's not THC related. Okay, now we're gonna read this one. You know what, like, I'm gonna just pop this up for a moment. See all those ingredients right there, just for this one in particular, versus this one. The ingredients is pretty small. So what this one says, it has sunflower oil, argan oil, malura oil, pomegranate seed oil, and Australian sandalwood. So yeah, completely different from the original Miracle Beard Oil, because they never called it original. Okay, they never called it original, but this is supposed to be what the oil is supposed to, what this one is supposed to be transitioning into this one. I have no idea how old this concept is versus this one at all. And I believe that the website, there's like a few different websites. So this says GlyderBeardOil.com versus, what is it? Visit us at Glyder.io. I forget, but I believe, let's just pull it up on the iPad right here. So this is the original, well, this is actually, let's get to this. So the original website cannot be reached, as you can tell. And then I pulled up the new website, which can be reached right here at Glyder.io, or IO I meant. So, like, I just love reading the comments on Birchbox. The comments on the product, like, it was just kind of astounding just looking at, it's like you can have a field day with people's comments, really. You really totally can. It's pretty ridiculous. We're gonna type in Glyder because because this is a sample, this is the original sample from the concept box. Okay, so I'm going to read just a few of the reviews on this product, basically. This one person, Dat W, 14 days ago, not the Sal Me as sample, which I'm assuming not the same as sample, basically. As others have mentioned, the full size is not the same as the sample. I love the sample and received full size as a gift for my wife because she loved the smell of the sample. The full size is not scented and it just smells like oil. Still works well, but I would much rather have the scented one. Okay, and then same person. Okay, same person left another review. It said, great smell, helps out a lot. I can't use too much though, as my skin reacts to something in the oil. I have really sensitive skin, so if your skin isn't known for being sensitive, then go for it. One person 2 months ago gave it a 1 star, not the same as sample. As someone has stated, the sample is completely different than the product shipped. Different ingredient, different smell, not happy about this purchase. Okay. This was the one that really caught my attention. So this one is from JAAA 4 months ago. Not the same as sample. Absolutely loved the sample. Smelled great. Wasn't too heavy. Ordered the product and it basically smells like cooking oil. Checked out labels and they contain different ingredients according to Glyder sample and product are same. I beg to differ. So yeah, that is everything. Like, it's just hilarious. Just the reviews are awesome and funny, so that's why I wanted to buy this. We're gonna test it out right now because yeah, and let's see if there's also a color difference because I have not used this in quite a while. So actually, we're gonna put this one, so the original Miracle Beard Oil. Okay. Okay, so this one's more clear. As you can tell. I definitely don't smell the cooking oil status. It is very, very plain. Yeah, it literally has no smell. literally has no smell. Now on this one, now this one has more of that golden tone. As you can tell, it is absolutely amazing. This one is so fragrantful. You want to know what it really reminds me of? Okay, oh my god, I can't wait to put this on. I'm literally savoring this product. Even though it does have parfum in it, meaning fragrance, the scent of this is absolutely astounding. So what really I think would work very complementary with this specific beard oil, if you salvage it long enough, I definitely would say pair it with Jean Paul Gaultier La Mer. That's what it totally reminds me of. It has these high-low scents. They're very striking. So the Jean Paul Gaultier cologne that I'm speaking of, that one is lavender and vanilla, but it's really intense. That's what this oil immediately reminds me of when I first used it. When I got this months and months and months ago. That's what this product smells like. Totally reminds me of that. It's very memorable. I like having something that's very memorable because you will always go back to it, versus something that you are just like, it's whatever. So yeah, as you already can tell, that the difference between them is quite obvious. Glyder does have quite a few different beard oils. This one literally has no scent, which is very disappointing. So here's the Anthony Pre-Shave Conditioning Beard Oil for all skin types, okay? This has more of like a slight foresty, subtle smell, whereas literally this has no smell. I like this type of packaging over this nonsense right here, where we have to like flip it over and it takes forever to come out and all, especially if it's like really cold first thing in the morning. The oil, it just takes longer for it to come out. But yeah, the original concept is way better than the original that they came out with, that they decided to use to replace this with this. So as much as I love Glyder Miracle Beard Oil, this is definitely not something I would recommend, but this is just a no. This is a major no. I give this a flat out, like, because of the fact, like, it's supposed to be, I'm thinking it's supposed to be fragrantful of some sort. I would give this like a 2 or a 3. Just more so on the fact that it has no scent really, and I want something with scent, even if it's very light. This literally has no smell. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video and this review on the Miracle Beard Oils by Glyder. If you have any comments or questions, let me know down below in the comments section, and links will be up as well in the description box. As you all know, I always leave a description on how much something costs and whatever, blah blah blah. So that being said, once again, I will see you on